Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel, the Forex Nexus. Today I am going to show you small account progress. I took trade on GBP USD Extreme plus MLV on H4, H1 Extreme, M15. It's also Extreme plus MLV. On gold, here we got the extreme on H1 time frame, H4 re-entry here at this point. You can see here H1 extreme point here, M15 extreme plus MLV here. We got momentum, then the market retraced back to MA 510 low on H1. On H1 we got extreme, on M5 we also got extreme plus momentum now. This is the overall look of the gold, also US 30 and also GBP USD. So let's see the profits here. It says the 677 equity and we are getting profit on these three pairs. I am using very small lot. On US 30 0.10 1 mini lot is equal to micro lot. It's 1 micro lot is equal to 1 mini, I mean 0.01. so it's running in 200 pips, so it's giving $20. Gold running in 300 pips, you can see here. Gold running in 300 pips and also GBP USD running in 88 pips now. So let me close gold. First we will check out on daily. Yeah, definitely it can hit or take profit here. So on weekly time frame, the market has strong momentum yet, but it's closing near heading toward the untested supply zone on weekly time frame. Also on monthly it's tested, so on weekly it's also tested supply zone. It's not a fresh one, but we can get a triple top here and the market can drop, but possibly we will wait for the setup. First we will see here that how it's reacting to the middle upper BB. If it's showing momentum, then we will take re-entry here. Middle BB re-entry is the most powerful re-entries in BBMA. Once the market hit the middle BB, then we need to wait for 3 candles to hit or take profit. So we will close our trade today. This is first candle, second, and today's the current one is third candle. GBP USD, someone asked about the GBP JPY here. We are at GBP JPY. Here. On H4 we got momentum. The price may drop to this demand zone. On daily we need to hit low BB because this is weekly time frame, so this one is valid. We need to wait for the extreme because we might get the extreme here. This is currently the code is re-entry, and M15 must be extreme. So yes, here we got the extreme. But if the market went up to hit this zone, so the code will be a re-entry extreme and extreme on MLV on M15. So better to wait for this one because I am avoiding the re-entry extreme. Bitcoin weekly still in the zone, need to get rejection from the EMA 50 on daily. We need the market may drop to this area demand zone, then we will look for the buy here. AUDJPY, AUDJPY daily, looking for buy. H1 extreme plus MLV H4. H1 we need. Here we got the re-entry on small time frame, but I am always taking trade on higher time frame, so avoiding it. This is what we are expecting on middle BB. So extreme plus MLV on H4. H1 triple bottom also got rejection from the lower band, means we got extreme on H1 time frame. But recently, what will be the move of GBP USD here? GBP didn't show any momentum at the moment on H4 time frame. Also the Bollinger Band is flat. Also the daily time frame it's also flat. So let me close this one. H1 maybe here we got this extreme, and I am expecting the MLV here. Yes, just need to wait for the stoppage here, then we can close our trade and we can sell it on daily time frame. Yes, on daily time frame we can sell it. So this is the overall view of BBMA, that how powerful it is. Almost 50% gain on small account. So as with small lots, remember, with small lots, it's not a big. Mostly people are putting, you can see in the BBMA trade BBMA videos, they are taking too many lots on small equities, full margin trading, and they are doubling. They are to make it double the equity, the balance. But here we got only micro lots, and we almost gained 50% of the trade, and we took trade on only, if we I took the the US 30 on 0.10, then it will be 200 plus, so the balance, the equity will be almost double. But we need to stay disciplined. Don't need to risk your all money on the accounts on single trade. Okay, if you are new, first time you are watching our video and didn't subscribe our channel, so please must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get further notification for the lessons. And also check out our discussion group on Telegram. You can join us, and also you can get our mentorship course as well. So GBP now GBP USD is dropping here. Let's wait for the momentum here. After momentum we will take a re-entry on M15 as well. Okay, but we got rejection at the moment, so better to wait for it. Thank you for watching the video.